WebGL shader string arrays. We're just stubbing it in here. We've refactored these names here for this function. This is our const array function. This is a shader string array function. It is a clone of the function above. It's used to create shader strings. Down here, we've just refactored the name to be more consistent. This is shader string vertex bad, shader string fragment bad. This will not compile, and we did that intentionally. This is shader string vertex all, because all of the shader strings here are going to use the same vertex shader, whereas we need a unique fragment shader for each one of these. So you see they're stubbed in and ready to go. Down here is our struct. We've further qualified these with array. And down here are our new shader string arrays, the array of vertex shaders and the array of fragment shaders. You'll notice that there's a +1 here because we are using one-based indexing. The 0th index is not used, hence the shader string vertex bad and shader string fragment bad. Down here we have some comments and some more comments and some more comments.